Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Amanda Mailan Indriani, NPM 234111053 from class management 23A. Here, I will explain the marketing management course material, namely about analyzing consumer market and business market. Analyzing consumer market and business market is the process of understanding and evaluating two main types of market: consumer market and business markets, each with distinct characteristics and needs. In consumer market, individual and household purchase goods and services for personal needs. Analyzing consumer market involves first understanding the factors that influence purchasing behaviors, such as personal needs, lifestyle, and social influence. This helps companies design product, marketing strategies, and promotional campaigns that align their target consumer based on segments like demography, psychographies, and shopping behavior. On the other hand, business market consists of organizations of companies that buy goods and services for operational or product purpose rather than personal consumption. Analyzing business market means understanding a more complex purchasing process which often involves collective decision-making, introduce quality, pricing, and long-term relationship. Purchases in business market are generally more plain and are made with consideration of benefits that can support operational activity. By analyzing both of the market, companies can define the right target market and optimize marketing strategies according to the characteristics of the consumer and business customer they aim to reach. Next, understanding the difference. Number 1, consumer market. Individuals and household purchase goods and services for personal consumption. They are influenced by factors such as personal preference, income, and lifestyle. Number 2, business market. Organization buy goods and services for us in production, resale, or for internal operation. Their purchasing decisions are often based on rational factors such as cost, quality, and efficiency. Characteristic of consumer market. Number 1, diverse needs. Consumers have varied needs and preferences based on demographics, psychographics, and lifestyle. Number 2, emotional influence. Consumer buying decisions can be driven by emotion, brand loyalty, and social factors. Number 3, price sensitivity. Consumers are often price sensitive and look for value for their money. Next, characteristic of business market. Number 1, rational decision making. Business buyers prioritize cost, quality, and efficiency when making purchasing decisions. Number 2, formal process. Business often have established purchasing process that involve multiple stakeholders. Number 3, long-term relationship. Business buyers seek long-term relationship with suppliers, often based on trust and mutual benefit. Factors influence consumer behaviors. Number 1, cultural factor. Cultural values, norms, and beliefs influence consumer preference and buying decisions. Number 2, social factor. Social group, family, and reference group influence consumer choice. Number 2, personal factor. Age, occupation, lifestyle, and personality affect consumer behavior. Number 3, psychological factor. Motivation, perception, learning, and belief influence consumer purchasing decision. Next factor influencing business buying behavior. Number 1, environmental factor. Economic condition, technology advancement, and political factor can influence business purchasing. Number 2, organizational factor. Company structure, policies, and objectives influence the buying process. Number 3, interpersonal factor. Relationship between buyer and seller, as well as internal power dynamic, can influence purchasing decision. Number 3, individual factor. Personal characteristic of buyers such as age, experience, and risk tolerance affect their decision. Next, market segmentation in consumer market. Demographic segmentation, age, gender, income, education, occupation. Number 2, psychographic segmentation. Lifestyle, value, attitude, interest, and personality. Number 3, behavioral segmentation. As rate, purchase occasion, loyalty, benefit, so. Market segmentation in business market. Number 1, industry segmentation. Categorizing business based on their industry, such as manufacturing, retail, or service. Number 2, size segmentation. Segmenting by company size, such as small business, medium size enterprise, or large corporation. Number 3, location segmentation. Targeting business based on their geographic indication, such as regional or national market. Marketing strategies for consumer market. Number 1, influence marketing. Partnering with influential individuals to promote product or service to their followers. Influence marketing is a strategy where brands collaborate with influence individuals who have a large following and significant influence on social media or other platforms. Influencers promote their brand's product or service to their audience, often through review, endorsement, or sponsored posts. This strategy allows brands to reach a more engaged audience as followers of influence often trust their recommendation. It is effective for creating brand awareness, increasing credibility, and driving purchasing decisions by leveraging the personal connection influencers have with their followers. Number 2, retail marketing. Using in-store display, promotion, and customer service to attract and engage shoppers. Retail marketing involves first promotion product directly to consumer through physical store or online retail platforms. This strategy includes activities such as in-store display, product demonstration, promotional event, and seasonal discount. Retail marketing aims to attract shoppers to specific point of sale and encourage immediate purchase. It often focuses on creating an engaging shopping experience, building brand loyalty, and maximizing product visibility. By establishing a strong presence in retail locations, brands can increase accessibility to their product and influence consumer choice at the point of sale. Number 3, mass media advertising. Reaching a large audience through television, radio, and print advertising. Mass media advertising refers to promoting product or service through broad-reaching media channels such as television, radio, newspapers, and magazines. This strategy allows brands to reach a large, diverse audience and build brand recognition on a wide scale. Mass media advertising is effective for creating awareness, shaping brands' perception, and influencing public opinion. By delivering consistent messaging across different mass media outlets, brands can establish a strong presence in the market and increase the likelihood of becoming a preferred choice among consumers. That's all the explanation of the material that I can convey. I apologize for more or less. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.